New York's eviction process is among the most complex and tenant protective in the United States. If you're a New York landlord, attorney involvement is strongly recommended. Step 1. Serve the correct predicate notice. For non-payment of rent, a rent demand, also called a 3-day notice, must be served. For lease violations, a 10-day notice to cure. For holdover situations at lease end, notice requirements depend on length of tenancy. 30 days for tenancies under 1 year, 60 days for 1 to 2 years, 90 days for 2 or more years. Under New York's Good Cause Eviction Law, enacted in 2024, landlords in covered properties, generally buildings with 10 or more units in NYC and municipalities that have opted in, must have a legitimate just cause reason to evict or non-renew. Step 2. After the notice period expires, file an eviction proceeding in housing court in New York City, or in the local justice court or district court in other parts of the state. New York City Housing Court handles a massive volume of cases, and court dates can be 4 to 8 weeks out from filing. Step 3. The first court appearance is typically a settlement conference in NYC. Many cases settle with a stipulation, a negotiated agreement for the tenant to pay and stay or vacate by a certain date. If the case doesn't settle, it proceeds to trial. Step 4. After a judgment for possession, the court issues a warrant of eviction. A marshal or sheriff carries out the physical eviction, typically 14 days after the warrant is issued. Total realistic timeline, 3 to 6 months minimum in New York City. Contested cases and appeals can stretch to 12 months or more. TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com. New York's process is long. Screen carefully before you place.